Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you good budget how to sync with bank. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to sync your bank accounts with good budget, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up your Envelopes app and be sure to be logged into your account. And once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the Accounts tab on the bottom of your screen, and then once inside, simply tap on the icon on the top left corner of your screen. Then once you're inside, select the account you want to link and then simply tap on the link to bank account option. Then if you already have a bank connection, simply select it, or otherwise tap on add new bank connection. Then you'll be redirected to palette. Then follow the prompts to select a bank and enter your credentials. Then after authentication, you'll be redirected back to the good budget. All you gotta do here is now select the account to link up, and then lastly tap on done or save at the top right corner of the screen. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.